Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to compare two of the best air fryers available in the market. The Secura Air Fryer XL and the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie. We will evaluate these products in different categories to help you make an informed decision when choosing your next air fryer. Before we begin, if you enjoy this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. Both air fryers have an impressive capacity of 5.3 quarts, which is perfect for cooking family-sized meals. However, the Chefman air fryer has an extra-large capacity of 10 liters, making it ideal for meal prepping large quantities of food. Winner, Chefman. Both air fryers are multifunctional and can perform several cooking options such as frying, roasting, baking, and grilling. However, the Chefman air fryer has 17 preset cooking options and an easy-to-use capacitive touch control screen, making it a more convenient choice. Winner, Chefman. Both air fryers use rapid air heating elements to cook food fast and evenly. However, the Secura air fryer heats up in just 3 minutes compared to the Chefman air fryer, which requires some preheating time. Winner, Secura. Both air fryers use less oil than traditional fryers, making them a healthier choice for cooking. However, the Secura air fryer doesn't mention the exact percentage of oil reduction, whereas the Chefman air fryer claims to use 98% less oil. Winner, Chefman. The Secura air fryer is priced at $70, whereas the Chefman air fryer costs $139. Both air fryers have impressive features, but given the significant price difference, we declare Secura as the winner for the price category. So which air fryer is the best for you? If price is your top priority, go for the Secura Air Fryer XL. But if you're looking for convenience, versatility, and a larger capacity, the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie is the perfect choice for you. We hope this comparison was helpful for you. Let us know in the comments below which air fryer you prefer. Don't forget to like this video, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more such product reviews and comparisons. Thank you for watching.